Alright guys, so we got the fronts all done. Looks good. Now we're working on the rears. These are going to mount a lot easier now from what it looks like. Look at that. I don't know if the brakes on the front have the caliper colors thingamajig, but let's see how these go. Okay, a little feedback here. So the rears were a lot easier with the shields on. 1, 2, 3. I got it down like in 10 minutes. So the rears are definitely a lot easier than the fronts. Got it down, it's bolted down. Now, the only other concern is, I wonder if this wire is gonna be long enough. I really hope so, because I wanna get this done tonight. Let's go. Alright guys, there it is. All done. Chevy Silverado. Wheel lights. Some time to get done, but it's all worth it. You guys want to hook up your truck like this, you guys know where to bring it to. D's Garage, baby. Check it out though. It's got different modes on it. Let you guys see all the different modes. It's pretty nice. Like it. It's late, it's about 9:30. I got started on this thing, I'd say probably like around 5 o'clock, like 5:20. So it took a few hours. This is my first one, so the second, third one should be cake. Come on, do the strobes. There it is. Woo! Looks sick.